All right, hi guys. This is my audience.
Woo! What's up?
So today, I'm gonna inform you why basketball is the greatest sport ever. So imagine playing a sport that requires you to have high IQ, good physical health, and mental toughness. I've been playing basketball since I was 3 years old, and it's taught me many valuable lessons along the way, like respect, loyalty, dedication, and hard work. Throughout my time playing basketball, I built some of the best relationships um, throughout my life. Met some of my closest friends, and also created some of the greatest memories that I ever had. For me, basketball is more than a game; it's a way of life. It helps it has helped me become a better person, a stronger individual, and also somebody that others can depend on. For me, um, throughout the National Basketball Association shows that over 400 million kids worldwide play the game of basketball. Yeah, that's a large number, and to me that shows that basketball is a wide-growing game and it has many impacts. And when you talk about 400 million people that are playing like a game, there's definitely impact that can be made and changes that can happen throughout that process of meeting new people, coaches, staffs, and just your best friends. The main thing for me with basketball that I love so much is that physical health is something that is a necessity in life. Everybody wants to be healthy, strong, and feel good about themselves. Playing the game of basketball, that's required. Without physical health, you can't be any benefit to yourself or to your team. So, taking care of your body, having to strengthen your muscles every day, while also learning the proper recovery processes. That is also something that it'll help you learn. It'll help you learn how to manage your body and also know how to take care of yourself and what's needed in order for you to perform at a high level. Another thing I would say past that is just the IQ. It just helps you develop quicker thinking, decision making skills, and also just it just helps you it just helps you stay focused on the task at hand. Losing focus in the game of basketball for a split second has a big impact and plays a crucial role in that. So with that being said, I just feel that's something IQ is something you need in life, whether that's in the workforce, the labor industry, or you're playing a sport. Having high IQ is something that is always going to be to your benefit. And then the last point, I would say with the game of basketball, is that it just tests you mentally, your mental toughness. Yes, the game's physical, and being physical is probably the biggest key, but without being mentally tough, being strong-minded, having the will to push past what you think is hard, exceeding your limits and expectations, you have to be a very mentally tough person to do that. There's days where you're gonna get up and not want to play, practice, or do anything, but that mental toughness is what's gonna put you over the top and push you past the next person, and also maintaining that same level of competitiveness with your peers, but also yourself. At the end of the day, the best part about basketball, even though it's a team game, you're still pushing to be better than you were yesterday. So I feel that's the most important thing. It presents new challenges every day, and it's also something that you can never be perfect at. There's never any room for you to stop improving, to stop growing. Basketball is just something that you can always just have. When you just want to be free, when you just want to just have fun, or whether you want to play at the highest level, there's no limitations for anybody who wants to play the game. So I feel that also is something that is very impactful.